Hey guys, it's Jacob with North Idaho Rock School. Wanted to just share with you a little bit about our rewards system that we have for our students. Our rewards system is a brand new thing where we give each and every student who registers with us a punch card. And as the time goes on, you earn punches and fill up the card. And once the card is filled, then you can turn it in for a variety of different things. There will be full-size candy bars. There will be coupons for ice cream cones. There will be free pizzas that you can get. We'll be partnering with more businesses throughout time as well to give you more and more opportunities to get some cool stuff. So the way you earn punches, there's 4 ways. The first way is by just showing up to your lesson prepared. So you not only show up to your lesson, but you also have your instrument if that's necessary. You also show up with the right materials, the books, and then you can earn punches that way. The second way that you earn punches is through practice. We really encourage practice throughout the week, and in order to earn punches, you have to practice at least 3 times throughout the week. So make sure that you're practicing when you're at home. The third way to earn punches is by completing a song. The song can be something that you're working on with your instructor in the lesson, and as you get better at it, as you rehearse it and get really good at it, that song will be considered complete. And so as your instructor decides that you've completed through the song, boom, you get punches. It's awesome. And then the last way to earn punches is through performance. And we are really strong on this. We'll have multiple opportunities throughout the year to perform songs that you learn in your lesson, and whether that'll be at official recitals or a low-key coffee shop atmosphere, or even out in the park during the summertime and out in the sunshine, so you can hang out with your family and perform through some songs. As you perform those songs, make sure you bring your punch card with you, because we'll be giving you punches to kind of incentivize you to stay involved in doing those things. The last thing that we want to say is that the punch card is also an entry into a raffle that we'll do at the end of the year, where we're going to give away something awesome. It's going to be big, and as long as you're a consistent student with us throughout the time, then you're going to be entered in to win. Each and every card that's filled up gets entered in to win a really big prize, such as a Silverwood Gold Pass, perhaps. Also could potentially be like a free season of skiing, a PS5, who knows, maybe a brand new TV and $1 million. I don't really know, but I want you to stay involved, to be part of what we're doing. Some really neat stuff, even more so coming up ahead. And I appreciate you for being part of what we're doing here. Continue spreading the word and letting people know that our goal isn't just for a once-a-week private lesson, but it's to change lives through music. So thank you again, stay involved, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Our website is northidahorockschool.com. Our email is info@northidahorockschool.com, and our phone number is 208-661-1784. And follow us on social media. Please also give us reviews based on your experiences here on Google or Facebook, whichever you prefer. Thank you again. Have a great day.